Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here in Orferdvill, Wisconsin. Just got done doing a gutter clean here. And a couple of things we noticed while we were here on the property. All the downspouts completely clogged. Looks like the gutters haven't been cleaned in a few years at least. They were solid dirt. I have 2 garbage bags of debris from both the garage and the house. Highly suggest trees to be trimmed on the garage to not scratch the shingles, scratch the gutters. Look like they're fairly new, so you might want to take good care of those. Other than that, you're good to go with proper flow on your gutters. You have a lot of moss growing on your shingles because of the heavy shade of your trees. So now, left untreated, that's going to grow roots down into your shingles and prematurely shorten the lifespan of your roof. We do offer roof maintenance services like roof cleaning, which we would highly suggest. In the future, we would highly encourage no less than 2 times a year for gutter cleaning in the spring and or fall. But I would like to see at least 4 times a year. If you do it that way, it's more affordable. You can just leaf blow everything out instead of having to pull out dirt out of the gutters and trees. So, hey, we're set to go. Thanks so much for having me here. Cleaned up all the mess real good. Beautiful flowers, beautiful property. Hope you sell it for what you're looking to get. Fluffy here is taking a good nap. He wasn't too excited about me leaf blowing around him, but he stayed put. He's a happy guy. Any questions or concerns about our work, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell. We'll take care of it right away. 815-520-6020. Hope you have a great week. Thank you.